Alright guys, so I made a little bit of a mistake. I was in the middle of building my model when all of a sudden my phone ran out of battery. So you missed the rest of me building it, but the show must go on, and I'll just explain to you what I did. When you left off, I had put everything together, or not put everything together. I had put the fuselage halves together, I put the wing halves together, I had painted and taken off from the sprue all of the different engine parts and all the different landing gear parts, and all I had to do was just put everything together. And so that's what I did. Now, one thing I should mention, and it's a tip to you guys, is that they recommend you paint the landing gear aluminum. Now, that is total BS. Sorry for my language. If you go on a plane, or you go near a plane, I've been up close with landing gear, and it's actually grayish teal. Believe it or not, it's weird, but it's actually gray teal, a gray teal color, and it's pretty cool. But so it turns out that I have an aircraft gray here somewhere, right here, and it's sort of grayish teal, and so I use that for the landing gear instead of aluminum. And so that's all that's worth noting. Sorry that you didn't get to see me build the rest of it, but right now you will see me put the decals on.